Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is I, Miss Kristine, and my little Audrey. Hello! Say hi, Audrey. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time because we are very excited today, children. Because we are going to learn about different kinds of animals and we're going to read a story too. The story is called Duck and Dive. Whoa, look at that. Splash, said the little ducky. But before we read our story, we are going to sing some nursery songs today. Are you ready? Yeah? Let's begin with Horsey, Horsey, Yee-haw. You ready? Horsey, Horsey, won't you stop? Just let your feet go clippity-clop. Your tail goes swish and your wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. Yeah! Well done, little Audrey. Good job, children. Now the next one we're going to sing about Ba Ba Black Sheep. Ba. Whoa, what's that? Ba. What's that? Ba. What's that, children? They are sheep. Lots and lots of sheep are here today, children. We're going to sing Ba Ba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you for the master, thank you for the dame. Thank you for the little boy who lives down the lane. Well done, children. Now our last song, since we're learning about Little Ducky, we are going to sing about the duckies that are missing today. We're going to learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not like that. We're going to sing, where is the first little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the first little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the first little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the first little duck? Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? I found the first little duck. Quack, quack. Next, the second one. Where is the second little duck? Quack, quack. 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 Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? I found the second little duck. Quack, quack. Next, 3 or third. Where is the third little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the third little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the third little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the third little duck? Ready! Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? I found the third little duck. Quack, quack. Next, number 4. Where is the fourth little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the fourth little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the fourth little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the fourth little duck? Can we find them? Can we find where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? I found the fourth little duck. Quack, quack. Last one, 5. Where is the fifth little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the first little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the first little duck? Quack, quack. Where is the fifth little duck? Fifth, I'm sorry, not first, fifth little duck. Quack, quack. Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? Where are the duckies? I found the fifth little duck. Quack, quack. Well done. That was fun, children, wasn't it? Now, let's start with our story today. The story is by Kismorbik and Carla Ditch. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Look at that. I'm going to go closer, children. Duck dives and doubles. Quack, quack, and splash. Sorry, baby Audrey. Splash, splash, splash. Wow. The second animal is what we call the hen. It's the little hen, and the little hen is very, very hungry. Where is hen's food? Oh dear, snap, snap. Watch out for the sharp teeth. Oh, very, very sharp. And snap, snap, snap. Oh dear, very, very dangerous, isn't it? The elephant's trunk moves to and fro. And next we have the parrot over here. The parrot spread his wings. Squawk, 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 said the parrot. Oh, sorry, Charlie. And the next one we've got, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. Monkey jumps, boink, boink, boink. And here we've got a little fishy, a little fish. Fish is spinning beneath the sea. Glub, 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 glub. Whoa! Can you see that, children? Very, very funny fish, isn't it? Oh, the king of the jungle, it's a lion. Whoa, that's a big roar, children. I'm the king of the jungle, he said. And last one is my very favorite one, my favorite mammal. It's a dolphin. Well, look at that. Dive into the ocean. Splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. That was very nice, wasn't it, children? Now, that's the end of our story today. But before we say goodbye, can we say, it's a dolphin. It's a lion. It's a fish. It's a monkey. It's a parrot. It's an elephant. It's a crocodile. It's a hen. And finally, it's a duck. And that's the end of our story today. Well done, everybody. Can you clap your hands? Thank you so much for being children. I hope to see you again next time. Bye. Mwah. And don't forget to put your thumbs up over there and subscribe if you want to subscribe. Goodbye.